back to another daily vlog. For today's video, right now I'm headed to Walmart to get some keys made for the new place, which I'll be showing you guys fairly soon. But yeah, right now I'm going to get some keys made, and then I don't know. But ugh. Look at my baby, so broken, so broken. But this video is basically to tell you guys what's going on, pretty much give you an insight on moving forward with my YouTube career path, things I want to accomplish, and give it my one last hoorah, in a sense where I'm in a new space. I'm gonna be in a new space, so I have more opportunity to film more. I don't have to worry about neighbors. This bonk ass, garbage ass HOA stuff is gonna be gone. I'll have my own space. It'll just be a new hoorah, like a new last, like going out with my best. So we'll talk more about that as this video progresses, but let's go to Walmart and get these keys made. Oh, also just got some Xfinity stuff, so I'll be able to move into the new place officially and everything once the internet gets installed, so then I can keep my vlogging and stuff going, uploading. But for now, I'm gonna still be at mom's crib, cranking out some content for y'all, and then I'll show the process of moving into the place, the whole place reveal, things of that nature, plans, updates, builds, all that shit. But roll that intro, pimp. Something that's really garbage. I have to, like, if I leave my car parked in the front visitation area, I have to hurry up and start the car, drive it off. So, like, because where I live, you can't have loud cars or anything of that nature, and I've been defying that rule, because, like, that rule, bro. Like, no, I get it, it's HOA, so you're paying for the amenities to have a quiet neighborhood, but, like, bruh, like, my shit ain't even that loud, it's just cold starts. But anyways, I have to basically drive off while the car is unwarmed, which can damage components of your engine and stuff. You don't want to. You want to when you turn the car on, you want it to warm up a little bit, not too much, but you want to warm up enough to where, like, you're not getting in the car, turning it on after not driving it for hours, like a whole ass 10-hour, 12-hour shift, and then you just drive off, because that would damage things. But it's just so stupid that I have to do this every time I want to leave if I park my car up front. It's so annoying, but I'm so glad I ain't got to deal with this anymore, and we don't have any strikes on the I guess address where we live, which we have, like, I think 1 or 2 before they start fining us for things. It's just the lady next to us don't like us, so anytime we do something, she always go complain. Like, living here has been a nightmare for the last 2 years, and I'm surprised I was able to still make income to, you know, afford this stuff. But it's crazy. It's crazy. But like you guys seen in my last video, this month check, I ain't make shit. But now that I'll be in a new space, we should be fine. But we'll talk more about that when we get to that point of this vlog. I'm betting on myself, then I completely double down. For some odd reason, I really want a Whopper from Burger King. So I think I'm gonna go to Burger King and get a Whopper. I'm really craving a Whopper, but I also want pizza too. But I'm really thinking about this Whopper though. I think I'm gonna get this Whopper. This Whopper gonna sound good. You know what's funny? Every time I look at a 8th gen Civic, whether it's a SI or whatever, I always look at the front bumper like, wow, you got an 09 to a 2011. That's crazy. Anybody else do that? Like, you guys have your car and then you drive around town, or you just drive doing errands or something, and then, like, you look at a car that's, like, similar to yours or like yours, and you're like, damn, he got the good edition, or he has a Type S, or he has a base model. I wonder if I'm the only person that do that. I don't know. Probably. I doubt it, though. But I guess I'm getting my Whopper, though. I'm at pulling up to say, ooh, gas went down to $3.15. Damn. Gas used to be cheap. I wonder what happened. Fuck that buying, bruh. Well, I went to Burger King. Damn, I should have ordered those atomic nuggets. Oh, damn. I'm gonna see if I can order those. I wanna taste. Nah. The top of my tongue, I mean, the roof of my mouth, pause, is like clapped up. Like it's weird. Shit weird. Nice. Okay, so I'm back home. Got some packages from Amazon. Got 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna see what all we got. Well, I know what I got, but see what comes in each package. So here is one of my bonnets for one of my lenses. Professionally speaking, these are called hoods, but now that I'm part Jamaican, we call these bonnets. So this one, I think this believe goes to this one. Nah, I think this goes to the 1018 one. I think this is 1018. I'm not sure. I got some lens caps because one of the lenses that came with my kit that I bought, it didn't come with a cap, so I got some caps, not lens caps, but body caps, lens body caps. And then in this one, screen protectors, so I can protect the screen. So that's that. And for that box, this box, here's my new microphone. I got a Rode Video Mic Go. Yeah, so this was like 70 bucks. I have a links down below to everything I bought in case you have a Canon camera and you want to get the same stuff. Yeah, so this is it. See the audio. So this is the audio straight out of the camera. Now let's go to the audio with the new Video Rode Micro. What is it called? Video Mic Go. Let's see how this sounds. New mic is on. Setup is nice. I don't know how it sounds. We good? I wish they can show me audio levels like how the Sony a6100 did. But it is what it is. Next up, we got the Canon filter right here. Let me see if I can do that. Hold on. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, focus, baby. This right here is another bonnet. This is for the 50mm lens that I have. So this is the 50 bonnet, and this is the 10-18 bonnet. So there we have it. There we go. Now we're good. And I can actually use this as a lens cap. My 75-300 didn't come with a cap like this one, so go ahead and cap this bad girl off. All this stuff is really cheap too. Like, it was really affordable. One last box. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, batteries. Yeah, forgot. I ordered spare batteries. So in case this dies, I got backups. And it comes with a battery charger. Sweet. But anywho, this video was pretty much made to discuss, not discuss, but to be more transparent with you guys about my 26 video. If you didn't watch that video, then disregard anything you're about to hear, or maybe you want to hear it. Or if not, I would say I'll leave a link in the description box below to 26, but I probably won't. Just go on my channel and type in 26, or just type in Zosh recap videos and it should pop up. But in that video I was talking about how, like, I'm not making any money doing what I love, in a sense where my talents is not making me any money. And the talents I possess are like editing, personality. Having a personality is a talent. Believe it or not, being a personality is a talent. Having your name. And I want to talk more about how I said Action Clutch was the only company that was like paying me based off like commission based. So if anybody bought a clutch using my code, I'll get paid. Now I added 2 more people to that. Hybrid Racing is finally on board with that. They are going to be now paying me whatever I get a month based off my Zosh code. So if you ever go to hybridracing.com and you need a discount code, just type in Zosh. And whatever order you place with them, I'll get a kickback once a month, at the end of the month. Whatever my code does in sales or gross, whatever the case may be, they'll give me a percentage. So that would definitely help the channel. That would definitely help me. I mean, who knows how much money I probably made hybrid over the 3 years that my code has been active with them, man. Because it's like every day or every other day, I'm getting like a couple of like, yo, thanks for the discount code. So who knows how much money I could have been making this time. But no, hybrid's the GOAT. One thing about me when I get hooked up with a company, excuse me. One thing about me when I get hooked up with a company is I never ask for a commission, because I'm just lucky enough that they want to work with me. I don't like, I do not necessarily know my worth when it comes to companies, because I don't know what my code is doing behind the scenes. You know what I mean? But being that I am a influencer, which I hope I influence people in the right ways, of not just like I don't, you know, dislike the word influencer, but that word comes with a lot of negative connotation nowadays. And like I would say, like, I'm a influencer without a doubt. I influence people's builds. People, you know, replicated my Integra onto their, like, basically with the color scheme of the yellow tire letters with the black slips, or, you know, whatever I did to my car, people saw as inspiration and did it to theirs, and I love it. I love it. So who knows what I could have really did for these companies. But basically, I have hybrid on board and I have alpha injection on board. So if you ever need fuel injectors, I now get a kickback based off my code with alpha injection. So I have 3 streams of potential revenue if people using my code with these companies. So that should help out the channel a lot. I'm going to start vlogging as much as I can. Whether it's like I want to get back into daily vlogging, lifestyle vlogging, instead of just basically doing car stuff. I'm about to create another channel with my girlfriend where we just eat out at places and like give like reviews, not reviews, like mukbangs type thing. Like we'll order food and talk about wings. Like basically what it is, what I had the goal for our channel is like eating wings at different places and like talking about like which wing sauce was the best, which wings are the best, what's the best wings we had so far, things of that nature. Cause she's a foodie. She's just like me. She loves eating wings. And like, I don't know, that's my baby. So it's like, it's cool that I can do that. But you know, I hate to post my girl on this channel because people just have these comments, and I knock any of these niggas out, bro. Don't ever disrespect nobody in my life or my family like that. I don't tolerate none of that shit. You getting blocked. So, you know, I got to keep her away from reading comments that could possibly hurt her feelings and make me mad to the point where I want to square up one thing. I don't know, bro. I hate negativity. I don't even read the comments on my own videos anymore because I hate seeing negative people when I'm like one of the people that's like still genuine and true in this passion of creating content. Like, if only people knew the But all in all I'm saying is that we're working towards new streams of revenue. I got to, because I got a place. I got my own place now, so I gotta make money. And if you people who buy merch, thank you so much. Since you're watching this video, if you use discount code, what's the code? BF25, you get 25% off of zoshmfg.com. Go over there, show some love if you want to. I'm thinking about starting a Patreon page. Maybe I can post videos there that's different from this. I can talk more on like one of those levels where I can really talk my mess and like communicate with you guys on a more personal level. If you guys are interested in that, I'm just trying to find ways to make more revenue because I need to take advantage of what I have, not in a sense where I'm taking advantage of the people, but I'm taking advantage of my opportunity to create. You know what I mean? So all in all, I say all that just to say thank you. This is my last hoorah. Like, this is my last like full saying on it. And if I can't do it through YouTube, I'm gonna find another way to still create content that I love and I'm getting paid for it, and I'm getting my flowers. I'm getting you know, I'm feeling appreciated for what I contribute to what I do to the community. You know what I mean? That's what I'm lacking. I lack the feeling of feeling like I'm appreciated. I don't feel appreciated, and you're not supposed to, you know, do something for appreciation from others. You're supposed to do it for yourself. But you know, when it comes to a point where you're entertaining hundreds of thousands of people and you don't want that feeling appreciated and no one appreciate what you're doing, is like it kind of eggs at your mind and your mental. But hey, we're still here, we're still kicking. We'll see what this year has in store. Hopefully the 27 video is way more positive than a 26 video in regards to my life. But I'm just glad I was able to, you know, go from 25 to 26 with a new mindset, a healthy, happy mind, a loving, beautiful girlfriend who I hope to make my wife one day. Definitely gonna shoot the club up. That's, yep, baby Zosh on the way 2022, watch. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like on this video, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you want me to win, comment, like, do all that stuff, man. I hope to, you know, revive my channel and get all the fakes out, get all the negative people out, get all the non-supporters, the fake viewers. I want all that shit gone. And I want to go back to having a core audience that really mess with my videos and appreciate me in a sense where, you know, it was always nice to read comments and interact with my people. And I feel like I can't even do that because if I see like it's just so much negativity on my shit now. It's trash. But thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, leave a like on the video. If you did not, leave a dislike on the video. I love you. Trust me, I do. But I don't give a fuck. I love each and every single one of y'all. Thank y'all for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I am out. Peace. What you think so far, dog? You know, when you guys are ever selling a car, make sure you let the person who's buying the car beat the hell out of it. That's what he's about to do. Alright, so it's a done deal. My man got him a 2002 Acura RSX Type S. How you feel, bro?
Happy, bro. I appreciate it for real.
That's crazy, man. I'm glad it's going to somebody that's going to cherish the damn thing. That's great. I hate selling cars to people that just like, man, I just hate selling cars in general. So like, it's nice to know that it's going to actually go to somebody who cherishes the damn thing. You know what I mean?
I'm going to take care of your baby.
Hey, bro. That's Nami, son. Now she got a whole new family. Alright, dog. Hey, good to meet you, bro.
For real.
Hey. Hell yeah, dog. My man, back to the A he goes. Bittersweet moment. RSX is gone.